Welcome back, guys, to your favorite filmy episode of Bollywood This Week. Catch the most happening events in this segment of Parties and Events. Shah Rukh Khan held a press conference to clarify on his scuffle at Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium.
Personally, if this is the kind of behavior that is meted out to people at their stadium, I personally would not like to go myself. So I don't know about this ban and stuff. Let them decide, because I think there is this extreme attitude of high-attitudiness, high-handedness when it comes to behaving. And all of them, there were more people than you are right now who are rushing at me and aggressively. And I'm extremely disturbed that they should manhandle children in the name of security. I mean, what? They're little kids. We attend matches. They were leaving the stadium, and there is no right to touch little girls who are not even 13 years old. We were on the side. The kids were throwing ball and catching, and they caught these little girls and started pushing. And that's when I got really angry. I was on top, actually, and I saw it from there. So I think it's unpardonable.
Akshay Kumar, Sonakshi Sinha and Prabhu Deva attended the rickshaw race held to promote their film Rowdy Rathore.
पूरा माहौल, मतलब मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं किया कि रिक्शास के साथ ये रेस लगाना, वहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक आना, ट्रैफिक जाम हो जाना और बहुत सारे लोग आना, पूरी वहाँ बनती हुई बिल्डिंग के अंदर सडनली लोग आ जाते हैं रहने के लिए, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
वैसे तो ये बहुत शरीफ इंसान है, बट कभी-कभी मुझे अलग-अलग नामों से बुलाना चालू हो जाते हैं। इनको मेरा नाम याद नहीं आता तो कभी मुझे सुदर्शन बुला देते, कभी मुझे फिरोज बुला देते, कभी मुझे शांतिलाल बुला देते।
जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ, जो मैं नहीं बोलता वो मैं definitely करता हूँ।
The press conference of the IFA Award was a star-studded and an exciting affair.
Well, I've been part of, I'm like family to IFA. I think जो भी मिले मैं उनके साथ host करने को तैयार हूँ, ऐसी कोई परेशानी नहीं है। I think there's so many talented people in the industry. Like you said, Shah Rukh Bhai is an absolutely fantastic host. I think Bhuvan sir and Ritesh have been doing such a good job in the past few years with IFA.
Katrina Kaif, the brand ambassador of Nakshatra Jewelry, unveiled its new logo at an event.
What you say, I'll change.
पक्का?
हाँ, well, you're obviously not happy with something. You tell me.
आप बस शादी कर लें 2012 में.
Why?
कटरीना 2012 आपने तीनों खान्स को अपने साथ बांध रखा है, आप दूसरी एक्ट्रेसेस को भी मौका देंगी तीनों खान्स के साथ काम करने का?
If I had a choice, no, absolutely not.
Over to your favorite itsy bitsy interviews. Amitabh Bachchan speaks about Ram Gopal Verma and his concept of rogue methodology that the director used in Department.
Because Ramu has about 7-8 cameras, and they're in all kinds of different places, and none of them can be seen. So you actually don't know which camera you're working for. So I think it gives me a lot more freedom, as opposed to working with a particular set of cameras where there will be markings. You can't go beyond that because your focus is going to go, or you can't go here because you'll go out of frame. Please look here because otherwise we're getting your back. These are some of the things that you're told once you're enacting a scene. All that has now disappeared. We're just free to do what we like.
Ishaqzade stars Arjun Kapoor and Parineeti Chopra clarify on the various rumors.
Total of 120 seconds के लिए गुस्सा आया था, फिर मैं भूल गई थी कि मैंने कहा अच्छा ये सच नहीं है, why am I getting affected, छोड़ो। और मैं यश राज आ गई और मैं उस दिन अपने numbers और मैं box office collections देख रही थी। No, it's not true. It's absolutely not true.
I have full sympathy for Jackie.
अर्जुन कपूर और परिणीति चोपड़ा प्रदीप सरकार की पिक्चर नहीं कर रहे।
मैं आज तक प्रदीप सरकार से मिला नहीं हूँ। वो ये जो लिखते हैं फिर वही बोलते हैं सलमान खान बहुत खुश है, फिर बोलते नहीं आज वो नाराज है, फिर बोलते हैं आज वो खुश है। तो क्या वो बातें करते रहेंगे? मेरा काम है काम करना, मेरी इक्वेशन उनके साथ क्लियर है।
Farooq Sheikh gives his views on the demarcations of films into art house and commercial cinema.
Is anybody going to stand up and say that there was no art in Mr. Manmohan Desai's films? There were several kinds of art in every department. Or that there is no commerce in the late Mr. Satyajit Ray's films. Ray Saab was not admitting anybody free into the auditorium. He was charging for a ticket, which is what Manmohan Desai was doing too. And then there was the art of cinematography, there was the art of storytelling, editing, the makeup, histrionics, whatever, in both the films. So this was completely, you know, a convenient label invented by the media.
It's goodbye time, folks, but we leave you with our latest segment, the top 5 tweets of the week. Take a look. Bollywood Hungama News Network.